Hello everyone! I want to introduce a brand new extension for LibreOffice Calc program that is called YouLibreCalc. The extension contains more than 20 extra functions that will make your everyday life easier. The use of the additional function is no different from the standard LibreOffice Calc functionality. Let's consider them all. The first function has name GoogleTranslate and help us to translate text in each cell to any language. How it works? The function just connecting to well-known Google Translate site and returns result from it. So it means you will need an internet connection for this. In function wizard, just type Google Translate and select the necessary function. In the opened window in text field, select cell with text. For the source language, select cell with source language code. For target language, select cell with target language code. Press OK button. As we can see, our function has translated text into French language. Let's translate the text to other languages. The next function is called CleanText. By using this function, you can clean up your text from digit and special symbols. Let's use it. In function wizard, find CleanText function and select text for purification. Apply the function to other examples. As you can see, all characters except letters have been removed. Similar function exists for numbers. The CleanDigits function removes all characters except digits. Let's try it. Choose CleanDigits and select the cell with the text. Removing odd symbols, we can now format our phone numbers to look the same. Convert the result to value and apply desired format. The next function gives us possibility to get a substring from the text using any character as a delimiter. Let's use the GetSubstr function. Find it in a list of functions and specify text, delimiter, let it be hyphen, and entry of a desired substring. You can also find entry from the end of the text. To do this, just use negative values. If you want a list of all entries, use a 0 as an entry. If we want to get numbers from the text, we can use GetNumber function. Specify text and entry of a desired number. Use negative values to get numbers starting from the end of the string. Or use 0 to get all entries. Also, there is a separate function for getting dates from the text. GetDate function works similar to the previous one, but returns date only. So select the function and fill in the necessary arguments. Use negative values to get date starting from the end of the string. Also, you can use a 0 to get all entries. GetURL function allows you to find all URLs in the text and return it. Let's try it. Use negative values to get URLs starting from the end of the string. Use a 0 to get all entries. ConcatIF function joins text by a condition. For example, we need to find all loans for some customers and store the information in a single cell. Let's use the ConcatIF function for our task. Select lookup value, then lookup array, it will be customer names, and return array, it will be loan IDs. Also, we can add a delimiter to separate our values. Let it be semicolon. As you can see, ConcatIF function has found all loan IDs for each customer. SpellNumber function converts numbers as English words. Let's try it. If you want to use a currency, just add it as extra arguments. To do this, just add a name of currency and its fraction. You can use any currency you want. Names must be added in both singular and plural forms. In this example, SpellNumber function lets you convert dollar and cents amount to word with a formula. This can be very useful if you are using Calc as a template to print checks. SpellNumber functions allow several formats for spelling. Let's have a look. To change the currency position, just add a currency place parameter to move the currency name to the beginning. By default, SpellNumber function doesn't show a fraction if its value is 0. But you can switch it on by adding a 0 mod parameter. The built-in function VLOOKUP is one of the most powerful functions in LibreOffice Calc. But it has one significant drawback. It finds only the first occurrence of the desired value in the table. But if you need the second or third one, the modified VlookupSeq function can return any match, not just the first one found. Let's try it. For example, we have a table with customer loans. And we need to find the second loan for specified customer names. Let's select VlookupSeq function and apply it. Select lookup value, Then lookup array, it will be a customer names, and return array, it will be a loan IDs, and specify the second loan. Now try to find the first loan for each customer. Let's find the third one. The modified VLOOKUP function VLOOKUPDouble searches value by two conditions in two different columns of the table at the same time. It can be useful if data in the table don't have a unique key values in a single column. For example, we have a table with the customer loans. In this table, each customer has loans with similar numeration. To find the exact loan, we need to compare two columns simultaneously. We can't use standard VLOOKUP, so let's use the VLOOKUPDouble function. Select the first lookup value. Select the first lookup array. It will be a customer names. Select the second lookup value and the second lookup array. It will be a loan IDs. Select a return array. It will be amount. The modified VLOOKUP function VlookupMulti searches values in many columns at once. For example, we have a table with country names and we want to return a standard writing. Well-known VLOOKUP can search value in one column only and isn't suitable for this. So let's apply VlookupMulti. Select lookup value, then lookup array and return array. It will be a standard country names. As we can see, VlookupMulti has checked all three columns and returned the appropriate standard names. FuzzyLookup searches the most similar value in the specified range. For example, we want to join two tables with key columns that have data with a slightly different writing. It can be spelling mistakes or just another variant. Let's use FuzzyLookup. Select lookup value and table with alternative company names. As you can see, the two columns have been joined successfully. The next 5 functions for changing letter case help us to keep variables unified. For example, we have many variables in different writing, and we want to lead it to a single standard. Let's use the function. Select CamelCase and specify the text. Now all variables are in CamelCase. Now check the rest functions. There are 3 more functions for changing letter case. The SentenceCase function aligns all letters to look as a common sentence. The function capitalizes the first letter and converts the rest ones in lowercase in each sentence and removes extra spaces between them. The TitleCase function capitalizes the first letter in each word except conjunction and articles. It can be useful for making headings for posts, news, or YouTube videos. The function is very similar to the standard proper function, but doesn't convert all words. The function FirstCase converts the first letter only in a specified text and doesn't touch the rest characters. To download the YouLibreCalc extension, follow the link in the description to this video. If you want to be aware of new functions, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.